If you have a smaller waist, use the ultrasonic cavitation and radiofrequency over the entire stomach area. Apply oil, turn the machine on, hit the ultrasonic cavitation button, and adjust the intensity to your preference. Apply the device to your stomach and slowly go back and forth from the sides to your lower waist. If you are concerned with stubborn fat in the lower waist, concentrate in the area. The slower you go, the more effective it will be. The faster you go, it will not penetrate as easily. Continue to go up and down slowly from the top of the waist to your lower waist. Go from your side down to your stomach. When you are done with the ultrasonic cavitation, it's time for radiofrequency. Remember, radiofrequency is the skin tightener. Apply the radiofrequency to your stomach and use the same motions that you did with the ultrasonic cavitation. Most people tend to go faster with the radiofrequency than with the ultrasonic cavitation. If it feels like a little prickly sensation, apply a little bit more oil or turn the settings down.